As the summer heats up, this should be, fingers crossed, perfect for garden parties, taking to the beach. You can use it for markets, patios, extensions to your camper van, hauling, that kind of stuff. Anyway, let's get this out. It's in a bag. I can see it's in a bag already. So hopefully it should be easy to get it out of the box. There you go. That's the box gone. So, comes in a nice heavy duty sort of canvas carry case. Sorry if you can hear some creaking. I've left the shed door open. But as you can see, I haven't popped this up once. It comes with pure and easy instructions. And the first thing, I guess, is aimed at us blokes when it says, don't throw this in the bin. First thing I've done is taken the cover out of the bag, which is a bit like a parachute. I'm going to lay that out. Just stick it over here for a minute. Nice. I guess these are for when you put it away. Don't know. I'll have to read the I'll have to read the instructions. Next thing I'm going to do is pop the frame out. Obviously, watch the old fingers. This fell out the bottom of the frame, and this has got some guide strings and ground stakes in it if you need to stake it down. Ooh, this is 3 meters by 3 meters. There it is, guys. It's massive. I think the phone stopped recording after a little while. I don't know, it probably takes about 10 minutes to put up once you've figured out how it all works, but it's dead simple. The legs are extendable. Obviously that gives you the height. You can see you've got your little Velcro anchors on the inside to tie the canopy to the frame. The canopy has got a reflective silver coating on the inside. The outside does come in about 6 or 7 different colours. Got Velcro anchors here. This slides the struts up and down. But wow, and right now let's get down here, get a better view. But right now it's on a massive 50% discount. This is normally 120 quid, or best part of it, 119 quid. Get it for less than 60 quid right now on the TikTok shop with free delivery, and there's so many things you could use this for. If you want to grab it, I'll pop it in the basket just down there. Look at that, how far have I got to go back? That's 3 meters by 3 meters. Absolutely brilliant. Like I said, it's in the basket just there. Want to grab it? Grab yourself a bargain. You know what you got to do. Tap the other basket right there, right now. Place your order, and it'll be winging its way to you ASAP. So many things you could use this for. Brilliant for garden parties, beach parties. Have it as an extension to your camper van or your tent if you go camping. This is absolutely brilliant and a bargain. Want to grab it? You know what you got to do. Tap the yellow basket right there, right now. Don't forget, it comes with all the instructions and a carry bag. This gets more than 5 stars and a thumbs up from me. Keep going backwards because it's absolutely brilliant. It's a bargain and it's massive.